Good morning. Welcome to the shop. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're putting together a 60-inch long adjustable height workbench from Banggood. It is a 1.25 inch thick rubber wood top. Good solid piece. Good looking piece. It comes with a power strip that mounts in the legs on one side. The leg on the other side comes with a pegboard. It has adjustable feet, and it comes with peg hooks to go with the pegboard. So we're going to assemble it. We're going to work on it for a week or so and see what it looks like, see how it works. And we will put the cross braces in. Uses a 5mm Allen wrench to put these screws in. There are nice threaded nuts in the legs. That's in there good and solid. A couple more of the small screws to lock the top in place. The screws are designed for a number 1 Phillips head. Okay, so we've been working with the Banggood adjustable height workbench for a couple of weeks. And this thing is good and solid and sturdy. 1.25 inch thick rubber wood top, adjustable height on the legs, power strip on one end, pegboard on the other end to hang things from. Very nice addition to the shop. Would make a great outfeed table, I believe. Link for it will be in the description below. Available on Amazon. I want to say it's $209. This thing is nice and sturdy, good and heavy. So if you're looking for an adjustable height workbench, here's a good option for you. Budget friendly, solid, pick yourself up one and start making things. Remember, like, subscribe, follow along with us. We got a lot of things we're working on. Stay tuned.